Party! Guys, paalis na ako. Bibili na kami ng foods para mamaya sa party. See you later. Get up! Get up! Ayan na siya. Okay, mamalingki muna kami. Here I am, baby. 6:50 PM. And papunta na kami sa venue. Ang makasaysayan lugar na Villamar. Welcome to Villamar. Andito na kami. Woohoo! Old school ang dating. Inaantay pa namin iba, si Justin, si Eric, si Enteng, nagsabi alas 7 daw siya. Si Maki. Si Maki nandyan lang yun, madilim na kasi. Tingnan natin baka nandun. Night vision. Happy birthday! Hi girls! Nigel, namiss ka na daw ni Kim. Oy, siguro nga. Lapan daw siya. Pwede naman. Ano naman yan? Adobe ka yan. Abodo. Gutom na ba kayo? Gutom na kayo? Gutom na ba kayo? Gutom naman.
Hello everybody, I am Aditya Chandra from the Chimatech India. Tonight I will show you the unboxing of this brandy. Is this brandy? Whiskey. Thank you for that. So, we look at the box. At the front we have the whiskey itself. I don't know. I just bought it from the local store. So let's unbox it. So what's inside this box is another box. This is legit, total legitness. At the side we have the, there is the Jack Daniel. I don't know what it is. What more is another box. This box has nothing. Oh. A 4.mm. No. It's the whiskey glass. So that's it. So here is the brand. You can buy it at the local store around. Maybe it's just the corner. Also we have the new unboxing. We hold the ice. Or 7 Select. I don't know that store, but a purified tube ice, 2 kilograms. From the biodegradable plastic. So let's open it up. Return it to the store. I don't know how to open this thing, so maybe go like this.
What's that?
Lahat ina mo yung puta. That's the smell of perfection. We don't have this in our country. We only drink water.
How much is that? How much?
It cost maybe my life. I don't know, but the look, maybe it cost my life.
Yes.
Do I need to drink this?
Yes. Drink. Ubusin mo daw lahat.
We're going to taste it. Smells like your mama.
Here we go.
Friend.
Oh my god.
What can you say about the taste?
I never taste this good.
More.
No. I got some viewers. These are my subscribers.
Si Giga.
Yes. Hey, you know how that in your country we don't do that. Axel. They're a friend of mine. I remember when he was kid. I used to play with him.
Like what? Maki
I don't know. Who knows everything about this mama thing? Mama.
Mama Kane?
Hey.
No.
Okay guys, so that's the unboxing of this Jack Daniel. Hope you enjoy it and click subscribe for more videos to come. This is the ultimate deal. Go buy this. It's
You must
nice.
taste it.
Taste it.
No.
Taste it.
You must taste it.
No.
Taste it.
Ready? Go! 2, 3, 4. Ay, lambot mo, Justin! Go! Huwag ka madaya, Erika! 7!
Go, dai! Takbo,
Balik!
Tap!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Battle for 500!
Si Erika, kulang pa!
Wala sumalo ang putang nga. De, sakto lang. Sabay sila ni Ace. Ako na? 1.
Lower! Panalo na tayo, Sel!
Oh!
Panalo tayo! Balik!
And the winner is...
One more! Okay guys!
Trial lang.
Ganun yung gagawin!
Game na!
Ready? Ganun yung gagawin! Ayoko na! May premyo ka! Pag malikot, pinapalo.
My name is Justin from Tansa Cavite.
Wala ka bite.
Tansa Cavite.
Nagkamali ka.
Forever do exist.
Bali pa rin ang hangin!
So bless me, baby, and even if they try to, they can't do what I do.
My name is Ace Kabibiray, and I believe that I can fly.
I was you, I wanna be me. Wanna be me.
Takina mo dito pa doon.
Hi. My name is my name. Hi, my name is Maki, and I believe in the saying that
Ba't t-shirt lang sa video mo, Vic?
madali naman na matching, kamukha babaril.
Ilaw!
is
Bakla tayo, pre, bakla. Bakla.
my name is Axel Reyes, and I believe once you go black, you can never go back.
I wanna be me too. Wanna be me. If I was you, I'd wanna be me. So,
Sira ilaw, yari kayo.
What is your name?
Oh, my name is Ububwebwe Onyedwendwe Obwemubwem Osas.
What?
Japanese.
Oh, my name I call it for you na. Ububwebwe Onyedwendwe Obwemubwem Osas.
Abisado.
No. My name is Sean Patrick Ramirez, and I believe that you won't believe in me. Thank you.
Fill me out with your smile. Now the sunshine brings the
So, morning na. Inabot namin ng umaga. Ngayon, uwi na rin kami. Punta na ako dito sa
I'll let you